and in this video, you will learn about eBA ITSM, an IT service management solution developed on top of eBA, our document and workflow management system. Let's get started. I just logged into our partner portal, something we use in BIMSER internally. If you're familiar with our products, I'm sure you've noticed that at first sight, it looks exactly like eBA. The only difference is that we have incorporated the ITSM functionality, which can be found after eBA's modules. The first new area we see is My IT page, which basically includes our contact details and the assets we have, such as the computer we use at work or our phone. Then we have the ITSM section itself, where we can find 9 idle processes, 3 of them ITIL certified by the company Ping Verify. The Incident Management module is where we can create and submit tickets whenever we have a problem. This electronic form that I just opened has a workflow associated to it. Whenever we submit a ticket, someone from the technical support team will receive a notification and the communication will start flowing until the issue is resolved. If we take a look at the reports available, you'll see that we can access the incidents grouped in different categories. We can also see that this user has access to the parameters section, where we can define things like the priority, the impact, or the status of the incident. In addition, also within this module, we can create critical failure reports, where we can analyze the services that were affected. The next module is the request fulfillment one. If you take a look at these categories, you'll realize that we can have many different types of requests, from information requests to hardware or access requests. The change management functionality comes into play whenever we want to introduce a change. For example, we could need to upgrade to a new server, and there are things that we need to consider before we approve a change, such as the benefit it will report or the departments that will be affected by that change. The knowledge management module is very simple. Whenever the IT team solves a problem, they can open this form to add a solution to the system. That way, everything is documented. The asset management form helps companies track their assets. For example, if they need to buy a new computer, they know who they are giving it to, on which date. They can make a note of the cost, the seller, or the warranty expiration date. If I open a new service catalog form, we'll see that this is where we define the services we provide. There are fields for the service level agreement, the department involved, or the technical support provided. In terms of managing the suppliers we work with, we could either add a new supplier directly or open a new contract that has to go through certain approval steps. The service desk section allows companies to create different teams and levels of support based on the services offered and the qualification of the employees. And finally, with the finance management module, we can create invoices or manage the budget allocated to a certain project. This eBA ITSM solution also includes a few modules for IT operations management. We can use it for things such as user onboarding and offboarding, for license management, or to manage our software and hardware. And basically, that is the eBA ITSM functionality.